Google made a big allegation on Samsung, said Exynos processor has many flaws, your phone can be hacked. Project Zero team lead Tim Willis said the company stage shows 4 of the 18 vulnerabilities could be exploited by hackers to remotely control a device. Google has launched a big attack on Samsung. Google's Project Zero security research team has found 18 security flaws in Samsung's Exynos chipset. Samsung's Exynos chipset is used in many mobile devices, smartwatches and cars. Google's research team has said that there are 18 flaws in the Exynos processor, by taking advantage of which your phone can be controlled remotely and can also be a victim of cybercrime. Project Zero team lead Tim Willis said the company stage shows 4 of the 18 vulnerabilities could be exploited by hackers to remotely control device. According to the report, the other 14 flaws are not threatening, as suspicious mobile network would be needed to hack the phone through them. The Exynos chipset bug is said to have affected the Samsung S22, M33, M31, M12, A71, A53, A33, A21s, A13, A12 and A04 series phones. Apart from this, Vivo's S16, S15, S6, X70, X60 and X30 series phones are also at risk. At the same time, Google's Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 series phones are also on the mark of hackers. Hackers are also eyeing those cars in which Exynos Auto T5123 chipset has been used. One way to avoid the bug is turn off Wi-Fi calling on your phone. Also keep VoLTE off.